Hello, everyone. I'm Victor Godfrey, and today we're diving into a topic that's generating a lot of buzz: passive income through Amazon KDP. There's a common belief out there that Amazon KDP is a quick and easy way to achieve passive income. Many envision it as a set it and forget it model where you simply upload a book, sit back, and watch the dollars roll in. While there is certain potential for income, the reality of Amazon KDP as a passive income source is far more complex. So, in this detailed discussion, I will debunk some of the most prevalent myths surrounding Amazon KDP. We will separate facts from fiction so that you get a realistic understanding of what it takes to succeed. So, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to scale your KDP venture, this guide will offer insight to help you make informed decisions. So let's start by debunking the first myth, which is that Amazon KDP is an easy get rich quick scheme. Many people believe that Amazon KDP is a shortcut to easy money. They are lured in by tales of passive income and overnight success. However, let's break down why this is more myth than reality. While Amazon KDP provides a viable platform for creating income, it is not a get rich quick model. Succeeding on KDP requires a significant amount of upfront effort in writing, editing, designing, and marketing your book. Many KDP success stories have roots in strategic planning, research, and continual updates. The fact remains that making money on Amazon KDP is not instant. Consider the time it takes to write a book, especially if it is nonfiction that requires research or fiction that needs a well thought out plot. Quality matters in the world of KDP, and readers are quick to reject low quality content. Myth number two is that anyone can make money with KDP with no prior experience. It is easy to find guides claiming that anyone can upload a book on Amazon and success will flow. However, the truth is that succeeding on KDP without experience is challenging, more especially if you've not invested your time in learning the skill on how to publish a book, even if you still intend to outsource the creative aspect of writing the book. Effective self publishing requires basic skills in writing, editing, and marketing. While no formal experience is required, building up these skills can vastly improve your chances of success. And understanding basic keyword research for Amazon, designing a compelling cover, and mastering engaging writing all contribute to building a strong KDP foundation. So, spending time honing your writing skills or work with professionals for editing, proofreading, and design. Also, familiarize yourself with basics of SEO, that's search engine optimization, to help your book rank higher on Amazon. The third myth is the notion that once you publish, the money keeps coming in. Many believe that once you publish a book on Amazon KDP, it will generate income indefinitely with little to no additional work. This belief is at the heart of passive income dreams, but it's not quite accurate. The reality is this: books on Amazon KDP do not guarantee continuous income. Trends change, and Amazon's algorithm favors recent activity. Keeping a book visible requires marketing effort, periodic updates, and potentially creating additional content around it. In a competitive niche, the book may even need rebranding over time to stay relevant. Marketing, including running ads, leveraging social media, and gathering reviews, are essential for maintaining and growing book sales. Optimizing the book description, updating keywords, and even refreshing the cover design can make a big difference in keeping your title attractive. The fourth myth is the thinking that any book can be successful on Amazon KDP. The notion that any book, regardless of content, can succeed is widespread. People often think they can throw any subject onto KDP and the audience will come. For a book to succeed, there must be a demand for that book. Conducting market research is essential to identify what readers want. Publishing a book in a saturated market without a unique angle or in a niche with little interest is unlikely to yield any results. Perform keyword research to see what readers are looking for. Amazon itself is a powerful tool for researching niches. Look at top selling books in a genre, examine their reviews, and identify gaps. Focus on areas where you can add unique value, whether through distinctive insights, style, or additional resources. The fifth myth is that formatting and book cover do not matter. This myth is particularly damaging because the presentation of a book has a substantial impact on its success. Some believe that as long as the content is good, the cover or formatting doesn't matter. A well-designed cover attracts potential readers and makes a book look professional. Additionally, proper formatting ensures smooth reading experience. Poor presentation often results in bad reviews, regardless of the quality of the content of the book itself. Invest in professional cover design and pay close attention to formatting. If you're unable to design or format, consider hiring someone or using Amazon's tools and guidelines to create a clean professional layout. Another common myth is that royalties Amazon KDP offers are sufficient and authors don't need to diversify into other income streams. While KDP royalties are valuable, relying solely on them limits your earning potential. Many successful self-publishers supplement their income with related streams such as audiobook versions, paperback editions, or even creating digital products and courses related to their books. So consider creating an audiobook version on Audible, expanding into paperbacks through KDP Print, or offering supplementary materials like workbooks, guides, or courses that complement the book's content. The seventh myth is that low-content books are the fast track to riches. In recent years, low-content books like journals, planners, and notebooks have gained popularity due to their perceived simplicity. The myth is that they are an easy way to make money without investing in content creation. But the reality is this: low-content books face intense competition. The market for low-content books is highly competitive, and successful sales are by no means guaranteed. Since they are relatively easy to produce, the platform is flooded with these books, making it challenging to stand out. Furthermore, achieving quality design for low-content books still requires effort and research. So, creating a low-content book that stands out requires strong niche selection and creativity. Develop a unique design, research current trends, and avoid oversaturated categories to improve your chances of success. The eighth myth is that Amazon ads guarantee book sales. Many authors believe that Amazon built-in advertising system is the solution to driving sales. However, ads alone do not guarantee sales. The reality is this: Amazon ads require strategy and investment. Amazon ads are a tool, not a guaranteed sales machine. They require an understanding of budgeting, keywords, and targeting. So, effective ads depend on having a solid product, an eye-catching cover, a well-written blog, and competitive pricing. Experiment with different ad types, including sponsored products and lock screen ads. Test keywords, monitor performance regularly, and be prepared to adjust your strategy based on data. Ads are most effective when combined with an already compelling book. Myth number 9 is that reviews don't matter much on Amazon. Some assume that because a book is on Amazon's marketplace, it will automatically get exposure and sales regardless of reviews. But the reality is this: reviews impact ranking and buyer trust. Reviews are crucial factors in Amazon's algorithm and influence a potential reader's buying decision. Books with a higher number of positive reviews are more likely to be recommended in search and are more attractive to potential readers. You can ethically build reviews by encouraging early readers to leave reviews, connect with your audience on social media, or consider providing review copies to trusted reviewers. Avoid buying reviews or faking reviews, as Amazon has strict guidelines and may penalize accounts engaged in unethical review practices. You can watch my tutorial video on the easiest way to get verified reviews. The 10th myth is that only one book can make you a passive income stream. It's a common misconception that one well-performing book can provide substantial passive income. While there are rare cases of this happening, most successful KDP authors have multiple books. The reality is this: building a catalog of books increases earning potentials. Authors who see consistent income on KDP often have multiple books across series or niche. Building a catalog allows you to cross-promote titles, attract repeat readers, and benefit from cumulative sales. Consider writing sequels, related books, or series in your chosen niche. Each Amazon book helps build your credibility and presence on Amazon, enhancing your potential for passive income. As you can see, there is more to Amazon KDP than simply uploading a book and waiting for the cash to roll in. By debunking these myths, I hope to provide a realistic perspective on what Amazon KDP can and cannot do as a passive income stream. With the right mindset, strategies, and consistent effort, it's possible to create income on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, but it requires time, dedication, and a willingness to adapt. Thank you for joining me in this in-depth exploration of Amazon KDP's passive income myth. I hope this video has helped clear up some misconceptions and provided you with a realistic view of what it takes to build a sustainable income through self-publishing. Remember, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can be a powerful tool, but success comes from knowledge, strategy, and a commitment to quality. Now that you're equipped with these insights, you can make informed decisions about your journey with Kindle Direct Publishing. This comprehensive guide should equip you with a realistic approach to Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from learning the truth about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below on any myths you've come across or questions you have about Kindle Direct Publishing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.